Hello and thank you for purchasing this course, Free PBX *13 Web Server Administration Step by Step. My name is Noman Khan and I'm the instructor for this course. In this course, you will learn the basics of Free PBX and how to build a cost-effective phone system from scratch. Building a phone system is a fun, so let's begin. Before we actually start, let me understand what is Free PBX. Free PBX is advanced web GUI developed to manage and configure the world's most popular open source VoIP communication server known as Asterisk. The open source Free PBX project is sponsored by Sangoma, whereas open source Asterisk is created and sponsored by DGM. So why we need Free PBX? You can directly configure and manage Asterisk using the Asterisk CLI, but that requires you to have a good knowledge of Linux operating system, like you should be able to configure the basic networking, file editing, copying, moving text file, etc., along with operating system maintenance and support. Using Asterisk on CLI, the learning curve is a bit slow since you have to learn Linux and core Asterisk concept. Alternatively, when you use the web GUI like Free PBX, you can instantly deploy the telephony system like IPPBX and you are ready to configure hundreds of features without deep learning of Asterisk CLI and Linux. So before we deep dive further into the Free PBX phone configuration, let's have course overview. The course is divided into 7 modules. Module 1, Introduction and Telephony Fundamentals. And this module you will learn about the telephony fundamental that include the understanding of variety of technologies that use for the communication, for example analog, digital, T1, E1 and SIP. Module 2, Course Project, and this module will discuss the course diagram project and the server specification for the Free PBX installation. Module 3, Free PBX installation and initial setup. This module contains the Free PBX installation and initial setup like IP address, hostname, time zone, and email alerts and notification. Module 4, setting up the Free PBX phone system, and this module will start creating the phone extensions and assigning these extensions to the soft phone and desk phone. And then we will also make the internal test calls to make sure all the configuration and settings are working fine. And module 5, connecting Free PBX to the outside world. This module will help you to configure the trunks, outbound routes, inbound routes, and Free PBX. You will learn to configure the PSTN PCI card for both analog FXO and digital T1 E1 trunks and Free PBX. Module 6, adding features to Free PBX. And this module will add features to our Free PBX server like voicemail, find me or follow me, time condition, ring group, and then the IVR. Module 7, Free PBX operation and maintenance. This is the final module in which you will learn the operation and maintenance of Free PBX like backup and restore, user management, UCP user control panel, etc.